You are not broke, you are trapped. And the worst part is most people don't even realize they are stuck in a system that quietly keeps them living paycheck to paycheck. If your bank account feels full on payday and empty just days later, if you feel stressed every time a bill notification appears on your phone, if you are constantly waiting for the next paycheck just to breathe again, then this message is for you. Somewhere in this video, I'm going to explain the one shift that separates people who escape this cycle from those who stay stuck in it for decades. So don't skip. And if you want real financial systems that actually work in America today, not motivation but strategy, subscribe now, because what you're about to hear can change the direction of your next 2 years. Most people think they have an income problem, but in reality, they have an order problem. Money comes in, then it immediately goes out to rent, car payments, credit cards, food, subscriptions, random small purchases, and whatever is left, if anything, is supposed to be saved. But there is never anything left. That's not because you're bad with money. It's because your system is backwards. Poor systems spend first and try to save what's left. Strong systems save first and spend what remains. That single difference changes everything. Imagine you earn $1,000 a month. Right now you probably try to save at the end of the month, but by then the money is gone. Instead, what if the moment your paycheck hits your account, 20% automatically moves into savings or investments before you even see it? Now you are forced to live on $3,200. That sounds uncomfortable at first, but the truth is you are already living on what's left. You just never controlled what left first. Control creates stability, and stability reduces stress. This strategy is called paying yourself first, and it is simple but powerful. The reason most people fail with it is not because it doesn't work, but because it feels slow in the beginning. The first few months feel tight. You question if it's worth it. You feel tempted to stop. But escaping paycheck to paycheck is not about quick results. It's about momentum. The first year is boring. You won't feel rich. You won't suddenly become financially free. But slowly your savings stop feeling empty. You stop panicking over small expenses. You build a cushion, and that cushion changes your psychology. If you don't have at least a basic emergency fund, you are always one unexpected expense away from debt. A car repair becomes a credit card swipe. A medical bill becomes interest that follows you for years. That is why the first goal is simple. Build $1,000 as fast as possible. Sell unused items. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Reduce eating out. Focus aggressively until you stack that first $1,000. That money is not for investing. It is for breathing. After that, build 3 to 6 months of expenses. Not for luxury, not for vacations, for stability. Stability is the foundation of wealth. Without it, every setback pushes you backward. Now here is another uncomfortable truth. Increasing income helps, but only if your lifestyle stays controlled. If you increase your income by $500 per month and immediately upgrade your car or apartment, you are still stuck. That is lifestyle inflation. Instead, if your income increases and you keep your expenses the same for at least 2 years, that extra money becomes power. Invest it, save it, use it to eliminate high-interest debt. 2 years of discipline can change your financial future more than 10 years of random effort. If you invest $800 every month consistently, even at an average return, the real change is not just in the numbers but in your identity. You stop seeing yourself as someone who is bad with money. You become someone who builds systems. Identity drives behavior. When you see yourself as disciplined, you act disciplined. Automation is critical because willpower fades. Set automatic transfers to savings. Set automatic investments. Remove emotion from the process. Most financial mistakes happen because of emotion. Stress spending, impulse purchases, fear decisions. Automation protects you from yourself. You don't need complicated strategies. You don't need to chase the newest trend. Boring strategies build wealth. Consistency beats excitement. If you constantly chase quick money through risky moves, you risk staying stuck longer. Stability first, growth second. Ask yourself honestly, if nothing changes, where will you be 5 years from now? Still waiting for payday? Still stressed about bills? Still telling yourself next year will be different? Or you could decide that the next 24 months will be focused and intentional? Pay yourself first. Build your emergency fund. Eliminate high-interest debt. Increase income strategically. Keep lifestyle steady. Automate everything. Repeat monthly. The system works, but only if you stay long enough to see it work. Most people quit during the slow phase. They want visible results immediately, but financial freedom starts quietly. It starts when you stop fearing small expenses. It grows when you realize you are not desperate for the next paycheck. And it becomes Powerful when your money begins working for you instead of disappearing from you. 2 years from today, you will either thank yourself or regret ignoring this moment. The decision is not dramatic. It is small and consistent. It happens on your next paycheck, not next year, not after a raise, not after the economy improves. On your next paycheck, change the order. Save first, spend second, build stability before chasing growth. Do this consistently and the cycle breaks. Control the order of your money and you control your life. Start now.